Hey guys, today this is my family. We're going to school in this car, in my mom's car, and up there and up right there is my mommy. And this dot is, look, CX5 right there. CX5 screen right there. And this is my brother, Cameron.
He's literally looking at his iPad. I'm looking at my iPad.
Look, you can see the struggle playing the game.
Hey! Go, go! Get to the side or something.
I can actually see what you're playing, Cameron. What you're doing. What are you doing, Cameron?
Nothing.
Something.
No.
That
was too fast.
Look at that. Look at him.
New high score! High score, 51. Died?
So anyways, this is our light. This is
Wait,
Mommy.
why is it upside down?
Say hi, Mommy. So she's ordering donuts.
Yeah.
We have Donut Wednesday every morning. And this is me. You guys see me? Huh? Probably saw me. Yeah, guys. This is my mommy. Take a picture of what Cameron's doing.
If we go to Starbucks, you can get a cinnamon coffee cake. Cameron, you can get a donut.
I'm getting a donut. Sprinkle strawberry
There's no sprinkle
donut.
on there. It's just a glazed donut.
We can't go to Dunkin'.
Are you gonna get a donut, Kaden?
Okay, cinnamon coffee cake.
No, I mean, because you were saying it's Donut Wednesday, but are you gonna get a donut?
Yeah. Not Starbucks.
It says life was good. Rivals.
Here, I could probably do that for you.
I got it.
Until you die.
Ken, are you able to do man up?
Probably.
Then do a hard one. Man up. No. Okay. Man up. Do it.
Okay, bye, guys.